Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install PDF Flex as an application on your Windows PC or laptop. Guys, whether you're familiar with this website tools or not, then I'm going to tell you about it and show you how to install it. So if you're working with PDFs from time to time, whether generally in your day-to-day life or you're using it in your work, then from time to time we might need to convert a Word document to PDF, or we might need to convert a PDF document into another format. Whichever case it might be, this is something that we all need to do from time to time. And PDF Flex is a massive platform that offers a ton of different conversions. If not, it's the best one out there that I can think of right now. Next one is also I Love PDF, but this one here, guys, I'm telling you, it offers quite a lot. So if you hover over it, you can see that you can do conversion from PDF to various different format there. You can also convert to PDF as well, various different format to PDF. Also offer other conversions, as you can see there, which is basically conversions from PNG, JPG, AVIF, EPS, and so much more, right? So you can basically do that. And on top of that, they also offer an AI PDF chat to summarize. So you can easily go ahead and summarize in various different languages, as you can see there. So if I want to do summarize PDF, I can simply click on that and you can do an AI PDF summarize by simply uploading your document and allow it to summarize the document for you for absolutely free. So very interesting stuff here, guys. So if you would like to use this website, I'd recommend checking it out, and you can go ahead and you can use it to summarize quite a lot. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the website, you see quite a lot of the conversion. PDF Flex is free and it's simply fast, easy to use, right? Very easy and simple there. So how do you get this on a computer? Let's say you want to use this and you want to have it readily available to you on your Windows PC. How can you install this as an app? And I'm going to show you. Now, as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome right here. If I click the three dots on the upper right hand side, you see if I go down to cast, save and share, you can see that I can install this as an application. Very easy. And if I click on this, it's going to pop up and allow me to install it. So if I click on this, you will see here that I have it, and I can simply go ahead and install it directly from here, and it will definitely install as an app. Now you can see that the name is very long, so you can go ahead and take out some of this word in here if it's too long, because it's pulling from the browser, and you can install this, boom, as an application on Windows here. Very fast and very simple. And as you can see, once I install it, it automatically puts the app icon on my desktop here. If I click on my Windows key and I simply type in PDF, you can see that I have it as an application on my computer as well, and I can click on that and it will open as an application, right? Very easy and simple. If I also go ahead and go to my add and remove programs or install apps, you can find it in the list of applications as well. So if I type in PDF, you will see that it shows up as an application, and I can easily uninstall when I don't want it on my computer anymore. So if you open it, guys, you can also go ahead and you can pin it to your taskbar. So you can right click on the taskbar, you can pin it there, and you can also pin it to start if you so desire. Whenever you want to open it, you can easily go ahead and click on it, and it's readily available to you. If I open another browser, let's take Edge for example. If I open up Microsoft Edge on my computer, I can go to this website, PDF Flex, and if I click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to apps, you can see that I can install it as an app as well. So all I have to do, click on it, and then go ahead and change the name in here to whatever I want and click install, and it will install as an application for me. And that's how easy it is, guys, to install PDF Flex as an application on your Windows PC. Very easy and very simple. If you find value within this video, guys, go ahead, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you find value here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you next time. See you guys.